Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Cocorenale, and I am here with another video. I know I've been away for a while. Don't worry, I will be doing an update on what I've been up to. But I'm starting with my power hour, cleaning my kitchen, living room, and my daycare little area. In the beginning, I was showing you guys how much weight I have lost so far since having my baby. She is 8 months now, which is crazy. If you guys want to see a updated weight loss journey, or you want to see a video on what I did to lose the weight, I'm still a couple pounds that I would like to use. But anyway, like I said, this is a power hour. This is my first power hour, so let me know if you guys like it or not. I am cleaning my kitchen, then I'm going to straighten up my living room, and then straighten up my daycare area. I have a little time before my daycare children come for the day. This is normally what I do every single morning when I'm pretty much getting up and getting ready for the day. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and comment down below if you do, and I will stop talking so you can enjoy the video.
I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. The cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. The cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back. The cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back. The cross before me, the world behind me. No turning back. No turning back. There's one thing I know. Oh, my soul worships the Lord. This is freedom. This is freedom. One thing I know. Oh, my soul worships the Lord. This is freedom. This is freedom. This is freedom. Everybody say, oh. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back.
No turning back. No turning back.
Cross before me, the world behind me. No turning
No
back.
turning back.
'Cause one thing,
One thing I know.
oh, my soul worships the Lord. This is freedom.
This is freedom. This is freedom.
One thing, oh, my soul worships the Lord. This is freedom.
Freedom. This is freedom.
Everybody say, oh. Cause you love good, you love good, you love good, you love so good. You love good, you love good, you love good, you love so good. You love
Okay guys, I am done with my power hour. I did speed it up in the video just because just not to make the video super duper long. I started the power hour maybe about 10 minutes later than I actually picked up the camera. I actually started cleaning the bathroom, and I had, Lord, what is this piece doing? I had already cleaned the bathroom before I picked up the camera, so I didn't really include that clip just because I had already cleaned it. But I got the kitchen clean, as you can see behind me. I might do a run through, but I'm actually trying to do this outro before my daycare actually gets up and running and started for the day. That little area that I showed you guys, I didn't vacuum in there just because I vacuumed last night, and then also Kayla was in there playing, so I didn't want to vacuum the floor while she was in there. I got the living room all straightened up. I will soon be doing a video on what my daycare area looks like. Right now it's just pretty much my little multi-purpose room is what, well, the playroom is what I use to mainly do all my lessons or learning. They have playtime in there as well, and then towards the end of the day they go into my living room, which is why I clean my living room. I always sanitize and disinfect the living room every single night. But I also get up some days, well, almost every day, unless my mom or my in-laws decide to keep my older two overnight. I'll get up about 5:30 and get in the shower, and then I'll start cleaning and disinfecting and sanitizing for the day, getting my lesson plan all set out and whatever activities we're doing for the day. I have that set out at the latest by 6:30 because about 6:30 is when Kayla will wake up for the day. And about 7 o'clock, when my oldest daughter is here, I'll wake her up to get her ready for school. And my toddler will be up around this time too. So this day was a pretty smooth day because my mom ended up keeping my oldest and taking her to school this morning, and then my toddler ended up staying over at my in-laws, so it was pretty smooth. All we had was Kayla. I just put her down for her morning nap. My bad, I ended up hitting stop. But now I'm getting ready to get me something to eat really quick, and I did end up stopping when I was cleaning up the living room because my first set of daycare kids ended up coming, but they had a doctor's appointment, so they ended up leaving. They were only came for like 30 minutes and they ended up leaving. So now I'm waiting on my later daycare child. I'll pretty much have those. I'll have 3 for the day, 2 days, so pretty smooth day. And then I'll try to hurry up and get all the lessons and stuff like that done. If you guys want to see what I do, like my day in a life as a daycare provider, just leave me a comment down below. But I'm getting ready to close out this video, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. And I am about to be throwing out all kind of content because I want to update our house. The kitchen will probably be the first area just because it's a little easier for me to do, or it might be just multi-purpose room. I don't know which one yet, but yeah, I'm saving up my coins because I want to get everything done all at once, and I've been getting things little by little and picking out how I want to set up everything. But I'm going to stop talking because I get on the camera and your girl can talk, okay? But I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, like I said, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell right next door to it. And as always, guys, remember, in order to get a blessing, you have to be a blessing. See you on the next video. Bye.